In this video, we will explore the 5 best bookshelf Bluetooth speakers in 2026, highlighting models that combine style, performance, and versatility for music, movies, and gaming. From rich bass to crystal clear highs, these speakers offer something for every setup. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Kyyslb Bookshelf Speaker. The Kyyslb Bookshelf Speaker is a high-quality audio solution designed to elevate your listening experience across music, movies, and games. Its sleek wooden design is crafted from thick, high-density boards, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also reduces interference and eliminates unwanted resonance, ensuring precise and pure sound. The four-corner arc design adds elegance while creating a more three-dimensional audio effect. This speaker delivers 360-degree solid surround sound, with the left and right channels working together to provide a rich and immersive stereo experience. The bass is deep and powerful, giving movies a cinema-like impact and making every track or gaming scene feel alive. Gamers will appreciate the dynamic sound that captures every detail, from subtle footsteps to explosive effects, fully immersing them in their virtual worlds. Setup is simple and convenient with plug-and-play functionality. Just connect the Kyyslb speaker to your computer, television, or audio system, and you are ready to enjoy high-quality sound immediately. Its compatibility with a wide range of devices and the intuitive control system allow seamless switching between audio scenes or setups without any hassle. For anyone seeking an elegant, high-performing bookshelf speaker, the Kyyslb model balances style and sound excellence effortlessly. Pros: powerful and immersive sound, elegant wooden design, easy plug-and-play setup. Cons: slightly bulky for small spaces. Number 4. Bestisan SR6. The Bestisan SR6 is a 60-watt gaming Bluetooth speaker that doubles as a soundbar and home theater system, delivering a full and immersive audio experience. It is equipped with dual 3-inch full-range speakers and dual 1.25-inch silk dome tweeters, which work together to produce clear and balanced sound across all frequencies. The treble is crisp, the mid-range is detailed, and the bass is rich and deep, providing a cinematic experience for movies, gaming, or music. The speaker features a sleek design with a metal grille and modern ABS housing, making it a stylish addition to any home setup. With 60 watts of continuous power, it handles both subtle and powerful audio with ease. The dual connection options add versatility. Bluetooth 5.0 allows for wireless streaming from mobile devices, tablets, and computers, while optical and RCA inputs enable wired connections with all necessary cables included. The included remote control enhances convenience, letting you adjust the bass and treble and switch between 3 equalizer modes for music, movies, or dialogue. Compatibility is extensive, working seamlessly with televisions, computers, mobile devices, tablets, and even projectors. Whether you are gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, the Bestisan SR6 ensures that every detail is delivered with precision and impact. Pros: clear and powerful sound, versatile connectivity, sleek design. Cons: slightly large for small desks. Number 3. Aiyima S500. The Aiyima S500 is a 2.0-channel active bookshelf speaker system designed to deliver powerful and balanced sound in a sleek, compact package. It features a 1-inch mid-treble speaker and a 4-inch woofer, providing clear dynamic audio across all frequencies. The bass is deep and punchy, while the treble remains crisp and bright, making it suitable for all types of content, from delicate classical music to booming electronic tracks. Built with high-quality materials, the Aiyima S500 ensures durability and a solid structure. Its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into any room, whether on a computer desk, living room shelf, or entertainment center. The included infrared remote control and front panel buttons provide simple and convenient access to all functions, allowing you to adjust settings, switch inputs, or control volume without any hassle. Connectivity is highly versatile. Bluetooth 5.0 enables wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions, while optical fiber RCA and USB inputs provide reliable wired connections and direct music playback. The RGB LED status indicator adds a modern, stylish touch, and the memory function retains your preferred sound settings, including bass and treble adjustments, for consistent listening every time. Installation is straightforward, requiring no complex tools or expertise, making the Aiyima S500 a practical and high-performing option for any audio setup. Pros: clear and balanced sound, versatile connectivity, compact and stylish design. Cons: bass may be limited in very large rooms. Number 2. Edifier R1280dB. The Edifier R1280dB speakers combine sleek design with impressive sound performance, offering 42 watts of RMS output power that fills any room with rich, full audio. Ideal for music, movies, or gaming, these speakers provide a clear and immersive listening experience. Their classic wooden enclosure not only looks elegant, but also minimizes acoustic resonance and reduces distortion, ensuring accurate and pure sound. The compact size allows them to fit neatly into any home setup, while the wooden finish blends seamlessly with both modern and traditional decor. Sound is delivered through a 4-inch mid-range and bass driver paired with a 0.5-inch silk diaphragm treble driver. This combination produces deep, punchy lows and crisp, clear highs, covering a frequency response from 55 Hz to 20,000 Hz for near-studio quality performance. Whether you are listening to detailed music tracks or cinematic audio, the R1280dB handles all content with precision. Connectivity is highly versatile. Bluetooth version 5.1 allows wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, computers, or other compatible devices. For wired setups, optical, coaxial, and line-in inputs provide flexibility, making these speakers suitable for televisions, computers, and more. The included remote control allows easy adjustment of volume, input selection, and bass or treble settings, while the side panel knobs offer precise manual control. Pros: rich and balanced sound, versatile connectivity, stylish wooden design. Cons: limited bass in very large rooms. Number 1. Edifier MR3. The Edifier MR3 is a 2.0 monitor speaker system designed for precise and accurate audio reproduction, certified for high-resolution sound. It delivers a flat frequency response from 52 Hz to 40,000 Hz, ensuring every note is clear and balanced. With 18 watts per channel, RMS output, and a peak sound pressure level of 92.5 decibels, the MR3 provides full-range audio that is rich and detailed, suitable for music production, video editing, or casual listening. Built with a high-quality MDF cabinet, these speakers minimize distortion, offering clean and clear sound. The 3.5-inch mid-low drivers, combined with 1-inch tweeters, create a balanced audio spectrum, delivering crisp highs, natural mids, and well-defined lows. This makes the MR3 particularly suitable for environments where audio accuracy is essential. Connectivity is versatile, with balanced TRS-RCA and a UX inputs, as well as a headphone output for private listening. Bluetooth version 5.4 allows stable wireless streaming and the multi-point feature enables connection to 2 devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between sources. The MR3 also offers customizable sound control. Using the built-in knobs or the Edifier Connex app, you can adjust high and low frequencies, including acoustic room compensation, to optimize sound for your environment. The low and high knobs allow fine adjustments of up to 6 decibels, giving full control over your listening experience. Pros: accurate and balanced sound, versatile connectivity, customizable frequency control. Cons: limited output for very large rooms. There you have it, the top 5 bookshelf Bluetooth speakers of 2026 that deliver excellent sound quality and seamless connectivity for any space. Whether you are upgrading your home audio or looking for a versatile speaker, these options cover every need. Check the description below for links and the latest prices to make your choice.